Want to improve productivity and efficiency in construction projects? Are you tired of doing all the paperwork after work? Snappii is the #1 leader in apps for the construction industry, with more ready-to-use construction apps than any other software company. Whatever your need is, Snappii has an app for that. You could download and try some of these apps. The Construction Daily Log app. The Construction Timesheet. Or the Commercial and Residential Building Inspection app. Snappii has the best value in the industry. All Snappii apps are 100% customizable to your specific needs. For example, if you have any specific forms, they can be added to any app. Contact sales at snappii.com or call us with any questions. To download more apps, visit us at www.snappii.com/industries/construction.